Hey guys, welcome back to another Madfut 24 video, and they've released a bunch of new cards, so I guess it's time to do a little pack opening. So I do have a lot of packs I've been saving actually, so hopefully this should go quite well, and I should be able to get a lot of the cards that they've released. So I'll start with these and work my way up to some better packs. What's this? Oh, it's a hero? Is it Genola? It is. Okay. It's a good start. France. Oh, it's Giroud. Nice. Good stuff, good stuff. America. Rapino, probably. Yes, it is. Centurions again. Oh, kites? I think it has to be. Yeah. Alright. Centurion again. Oh, it's Forlan. Alright, that's not too bad, you know. It's not too bad, you know. Okay, what else should I do? I should probably save this till last. I'll do one just now. Let's get Zinchenko. Should probably save this for later. So let's do regular special packs, I guess. I'm saving a bunch of gold packs as well because I need to still get De Bruyne and Mateus. So hopefully I can get them soon. Let's see. Brazil. Who is this? Oh, Vinicius. Right, okay. That's good. Take that. No new cards though. Another gold. All black. Not a new card. De Bruyne? Please, please. It's Courtois. What a joke. Who's this? Oh, Cascarino. It must be. Yeah. Engen. Not great so far. Apart from new cards, nothing too spectacular. Joe Cancelo. Okay, that was pretty bad. Oh, that's a new card. Who's this? Oh, Woodrick got a card? Okay. Our team of the week. Hold on though. Honorat, no new card. DeMarcos. Sanchez. Chiesa. And then... What the... I've never seen that card before, I'm going to be honest. I've seen Kiernan before. The Wijnaldum. Okay. Hopefully I get something new from this. Oh, I actually can. Solanke. Willemsen, okay. It's a walkout. France. Oh, please be Mbappe. Oh, no shot. Kylian Mbappe. Let's go. It's crazy pool. Rodrigo. No way. That means I did the Di Maria objective. Okay, let's go check that out. So I've done this objective. And I already have this card. So that means I can do his SBC. I can do the card exchange. That's crazy. Not expect to be doing that today. Alright, here we go then. We can finally collect him. It's taken me a long time to complete that objective. It's not been easy to get the Real Madrid special cards. Okay, there he is. Let's see what else I need then. Need a few more. Let's go with OP special pack. For one, but I'll do these, and I might do a ×9 actually. I got 2 of them from the draft cup. So, yeah, let's use some tokens. Get Morientes. Yeah, I'm not going to use that for 8/7s. There's none of those, okay. I think doing a ×9 is a good idea. Sure, I could have got stuff from the market, but not do that just now. Wait for Friday to do that. Right. Come on, this better be good. Italy. It could be Viali. It is. 91 overall. Not too bad. On a new card. That is actually a very solid pack. I'm not too mad at that. Let's do ×3 randoms. Maldini, and then Coman probably. Oh, never mind. Gullit. Pretty good. Right, let's see what other cards are still together. Not too many. Shouldn't take me. I don't have the packs really though. I need more of those picks. Okay. Let's just try to get a few more then. I probably won't though. Gold. Vinicius Jr. Thorstvedt. It's one of the new ones, but I've already got like 3 dupes of him just from now. Kanu. Thomas. France. Who's this? I don't think there's any really high rated ones. Makalewe? Yep. Okay, right, last couple packs. We'll get Clover. I'm not doing any more. That's terrible. I need to save some for Friday as well. Okay, I think, yeah, that'll do. That'll do for this video. If you enjoyed, please remember to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.